Hello everyone, this is your Kalpana. Today in this video we are going to prove a trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Before going to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, let's see what is trigonometric identity. So, trigonometric identity. An equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle theta is said to be trigonometric identity if it is satisfied for all values of theta for which the given trigonometric ratios are defined. So what is trigonometric identity? An equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle theta. An equation involving trigonometric ratios of angle theta such that that equation must be satisfied for all values of theta. For all values of theta, the equation must be satisfied, for which the given trigonometric ratios are defined. Okay. So, this is trigonometric identity. So, what is trigonometric identity? An equation involving trigonometric ratios of angle theta such that the equation should be satisfied for all values of theta which are defined, for which trigonometric ratios are defined. Okay. So, theorem, prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So, we'll prove this using three cases. First one, when theta equals to 0 degrees. Second one, when theta equals to 90 degrees. And third one, when theta is an acute angle. When theta is an acute angle. For all values of theta, for which trigonometric ratios are defined. Okay, let's see. So let's start with theta equals to 0 degrees. Case 1. Case 1. When theta equals to 0 degrees. When theta equals to 0 degrees, you know that sine 0 degrees is equals to 0 and cos 0 degrees is equals to 1. Consider LHS. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So which is equals to sin theta the whole square plus cos theta the whole square, which is equals to, now replace theta by 0 degrees. Sin 0 degrees whole square plus cos 0 degrees whole square. So we have replaced theta by 0 degrees. So this equals to, you know that sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So you have to apply here. Sin 0 is 0. 0 square is 0 plus cos 0 is 1. 1 square is 1. So plus 1. This equals to 0 plus 1 is 1. So therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 for the value theta equals to 0 degrees. Right? So next we'll see for theta equals to 90 degrees. Case 2. When theta equals to 90 degrees. When theta equals to 90 degrees, we have sin 90 degrees equals to 1 and cos 90 degrees is equals to 0. Again, consider LHS part. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to, you can write it as sine theta the whole square plus cos theta the whole square. Now replace theta with 90 degrees. So you'll get sine 90 degrees whole square plus cos 90 degrees the whole square. Since you know that sine 90 degrees equals to 1 and cos 90 degrees equals to 0. So apply this. Sine 90 degrees is 1. 1 square plus 0 square. 1 square is 1 and 0 square is 0. So you'll get 1 plus 0 is 1. So finally, therefore, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 for theta equals to 90 degrees. For theta equals to 90 degrees. The third case, when theta is an acute angle. Case 3, when theta is an acute angle. What is acute angle? An angle that lies between 0 and 90 degrees. Okay. So to prove this, we need a right angle triangle. Okay. So for that, I am going to construct a right angle triangle using two rays. Ray AX, ray AY. So it forms an angle theta. Let angle X AY equals to theta. Okay. Now consider a point P on ray AY other than A. Consider a point P on ray AY other than point A. Next, consider a point M. Consider a point M on ray AX other than point A. Now draw a perpendicular PM. Let PM be a perpendicular. PM be a perpendicular. Okay. So next. So here formed a right angle triangle AMP. Okay. Triangle AMP be a right angled triangle. Okay. So, in triangle AMP, we have what we have? Sine theta, which is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse. So sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is PM by hypotenuse AP. And cos theta equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is equals to AM by AP. Okay. So you're having sine theta is equals to PM by AP and cos theta is equals to AM by AP. Okay. So now consider LHS. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to sin theta whole square. So we can write sin square theta as sin theta whole square plus cos square theta as cos theta whole square, which is equals to, you're having sin theta equals to PM by AP, so you can apply this. PM by AP the whole square plus, again cos theta is equals to AM by AP the whole square. So which is equals to PM square by AP square plus AM square by AP square. Which is equals to PM square plus AM square by AP square. Okay. So this is your right angle, right? Since by Pythagoras theorem you have AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So here also you will use the same. AM square plus PM square, which is equals to AP square. Using Pythagoras theorem we have AM square plus PM square equals to AP square. Since you are having PM square plus AM square in the numerator, so this will be equals to AP square by AP square. Okay. Since PM square plus AM square is equals to AP square, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So this equals to 1. So therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, which is the required result, desired result. So we have proved sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 in 3 cases. For theta equals to 0 degrees, for theta equals to 90 degrees, and when theta is an acute angle. Okay. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, again this follows few more identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This follows few more identities. If you take sin square theta to right hand side, then you'll get 1 minus sin square theta. This is an identity. Also sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. If you take cos square theta to the right hand side, then you'll get sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 follows cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, and sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So how many identities we have? We have totally 3 identities. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Totally 3 identities. Okay. Fine. So this is all for now. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.